In a previous video, we went through the different types of affiliate marketing techniques and the different scenarios you would use them in. One of which is direct linking, whereby you generate traffic by posting content online and running paid ads on search engines and social media sites and linking directly to the offer through your affiliate link. The second method is to build an email list first, then redirect the visitor to your offer, and then follow up with them over several days to remind them to make a purchase. Now I want to introduce you to another method which involves adding a review or bonus package to the offer to increase its value, its conversion rate, and ultimately your sales. First off, you start by sending traffic to your sign-up page. Once you have their email address, you can send them a series of follow-up emails to promote your review page or bonus page. This acts as a pre-sale page to excite your readers about the offer. On this page, you go into more detail about what the product is, you review it and offer a bonus package for buying through your affiliate link. Then when a visitor clicks a text link or a button on your page, they are redirected to the affiliate sales page where they make a purchase. Depending on what affiliate network you're using, the bonus can be delivered automatically when the sale is made. However, if that option isn't available, you can do this manually. To do this, simply ask the customer to forward you a copy of their transaction email, and then you or your virtual assistant can reply back to them with a link to access the bonus. So, what does this look like in practice? Here are some promotion emails to announce the offer. Each email tells the reader what the offer is about, what the benefits are of the product you're promoting, and tells them a little about the bonus package. Each one is sent one day after the other and contains at least one hyperlink that directs the reader to your bonus page. The bonus page acts like a mini sales page that summarizes the deal and shows them what they'll get if they buy from you, and prepares them for the official site. So here's a simple layout that you can follow. For the bonus page itself, place a red strip across the top of the page that states that the offer is exclusively available to subscribers for the next 7 days. Then add a big title that states what the deal is. In this example, I put, "Grab 100% private label rights to Dave's never-before-seen PLR products at launch discount." Below that, I add a small note that tells them when the promotion expires. Then below that is a picture of the product I'm promoting, with a blue button and a call to action to encourage readers to click. Below that it says, "And claim 96 master resale rights and private label products worth $9,000 for free." Now think of this as the second part of your title that lets them know there's a bonus package waiting for them. If you're reviewing a product, this is also a great place to add your written content. But in this example, I focus more on the bonus because the email is being sent out to a list of buyers who know what they want. So further down the page, I display all the bonus products they receive when they purchase. The product graphic and buttons should be hyperlinked with your link. So when a visitor clicks any one of those links, it loads the affiliate sales page through your affiliate link. Then when they make a purchase, you get credited for the sale. One thing to note is that the page design is very simple. There's nothing fancy. Just some plain text, a screenshot of the product you're promoting, and a clickable button. The bonuses themselves just need a product image and a little description, which can be copied from the contents of the bonus product itself. And if you're not good at creating products, you can always use PLR content to speed up the process. So this is a very simple and effective method that any beginner can do and will definitely increase your commissions. So some key points to remember. Review the product, create a bonus package that complements the offer, and stand by what you promote. Buy the product, create a demonstration video, and create an amazing bonus that no one else is offering. Set a deadline for the bonus package, and where possible, use countdown timers to motivate your readers. The delivery system can be fully automated or outsourced. For example, you can use JVZoo's affiliate network to automatically add your bonus to the customer's account. Or if you're using other networks that don't support this, you can hire a virtual assistant to reply back to your customers after they've sent you proof of purchase. This method works in any niche for any product or service and is great for recurring affiliate programs. So think outside the box and don't just limit yourself to promoting digital products, because you can promote things like web hosting, autoresponders, software subscriptions, and so on that pay you a monthly recurring commission. And remember, everyone loves a good deal. If you keep adding value to everything you promote, including your own products, your readers will want to stay on your email list for the next deal. If you like this video, then don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe. And if you want to build your first website to sell your own products, then be sure to visit the official site now from the link below. You'll get over 100 videos that show you what to do step by step. Until then, I'll see you in the next video.